Introducing the members from Among Us. Good. First of all, you need a piece of origami paper in square shape. And
Square.
Cut into half.
Square.
So this piece of paper can make 2 crewmate or 2 imposter.
Or 1 imposter and a crewmate.
Yeah, or 1 imposter and a crewmate. So 2 Among Us character. Now I'm going to demonstrate with a red paper. For the red, since Cadence says red is the most original version, most original one. Okay. So fold the strip into half. Now fold again like this. Yo is coming. Okay, go away. And the other side, the same. Hey, your shadow is blocking. So you see, it's a thinner strip. And then we do this again, and fold it towards the middle. And same for the other side. Now you have a thin strip of paper for both the bodies, the feet, everything, and the backpack, okay? So what we do now is we need to oxygen pack, okay? So now we need to get a rectangular shape by doing this, rectangular square shape by doing this. Hey, move them away. Then you fold it this way. This is what you need. This is what you need. Okay, and to make the crease more obvious, what I suggest is to open the paper and then fold it like this. And then fold it in a zigzag shape. The other side. This side. Like this. Like this. Okay. And you have a longer, I mean the end of it is a little bit longer than the rest, so it's okay. And then like this. Okay. You basically have the crease ready. Okay. Now pay attention. You see here a crease we created before. Okay, and the other side made the same. Okay, so first of all, turn it this way, press it down like this. What we need now is a crease to create the feet. The other side the same. Okay, now we have an inward crease. We turn it into an outward. Like this. And the other side, same. And then we fold this part in. The other part in. Then we got here. Like this. Okay. What we do is fold it out, fold it out, like a house, looks like a house, and then we fold this part down to get another crease. It's like a box now, right? Open it up. Okay. And here we fold it in. Look at this. And then here we fold it like this. This side the same. Fold it like this. Okay. Here is actually the feet. Okay. Look at it, the imposter, the feet of it. The feet. Okay. Then for the body part, what we do is we need here to make a triangular. To make a diagonal crease here, like this. Look. Okay, do it again. Here, make it more like a diagonal crease. Fold it. Same for the other side. Make a diagonal crease. Fold it in. See, now we have the body. And then here, press down. And then fold here. This line here. Fold it in. You can harden the crease here, so it sticks better. And then follow the crease. Okay, this is the body. Then the remaining parts will turn it into the oxygen pack or the backpack, whatever you want to call it. Now, what we do is we press, this part is the body that's stuck inside, okay, and the remaining bit, we press it in like this. See? Press it in. And here you see some sort of a triangle shape. We do the same. Open this side, okay, make another triangle here to match the one at the bottom, and then here make a fold. The reason we're doing this is we want to make the backpack more like outside the body part, so we need this bit to turn it outside. Okay, and then the backpack is supposed to be shorter than the length of the body, so we fold, make one fold down here. Okay. And then here is a thinner than the body, so we fold a little bit in. And fold a little bit in on the other side. And go like this. fold the other two sides. Fold the two sides in. Then we basically have the oxygen pack ready. Okay, sometimes depending on the kind of paper you're using, if you're using some the paper which is harder, we can make use of the tape, double-side tape, so that it doesn't tuck out that much. Okay, here you can use a double-side tape to tape it here. Good. See at the bottom of it, just simply, and then you stick it here. Now you got this, the shape of an imposter or a crewmate. What we do now is the face, or the face mask. Okay. I use double-side tape so I don't need to use glue, and I cut the shape out. I like it to be a little bit more raw, so each of it is having a different look, and it's good for the kids to do it as well. Now, got what? We got another member in the crew.